We'll guide you through how to understand what Printify is and how it works. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website on your desktop. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to create and sell custom products with your own designs without having to handle inventory or shipping. Once you're on the website, you need to sign up for an account. Click the sign up button located at the top right corner. After creating your account, you'll land on the dashboard where you can start exploring the features. The main idea behind Printify is to connect you with a network of print providers from around the world. You can create products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more, and choose a provider based on their location, shipping speed, and pricing. To start creating, click on the Catalog tab. Here you'll see a wide variety of products you can customize. Select a product you want to design. Then you'll be prompted to upload your design or create one using their design tools. After designing your product, you can choose a print provider, review the provider's details such as production time and shipping rates to ensure it meets your needs. Once you've chosen a provider, you can set your pricing and publish it directly to your online store if you have one. Printify integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, making it easy to manage your products and orders. Printify handles the fulfillment, meaning they print, pack, and ship the products directly to your customers, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your business. Remember, the key to success with Printify is creating unique designs and choosing the right products that appeal to your target audience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.